Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to get Vanguard Secure Boot. Vanguard, the anti-cheat software, requires both Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 to be enabled on your computer. This is crucial for recognizing your PC's trusted state and preventing unauthorized software from loading during startup. Enabling these features ensures a safer and more secure gaming experience, helping to keep cheaters at bay. Let's dive into the steps to get this set up correctly. To begin, let's access your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings. You can check your current Secure Boot status by typing msinfo32 into the Windows search bar. If it's off, restart your PC while holding down the Shift key to enter the Advanced Startup menu. From there, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and finally UEFI Firmware Settings. Your computer will restart into the BIOS. Alternatively, you can repeatedly press a specific key like Delete or F2 immediately after powering on your PC to enter the BIOS directly. Inside your BIOS, the interface may vary, but look for sections labeled Boot or Security. It's often necessary to disable CSM or Compatibility Support Module to ensure UEFI mode is active. Then, locate the Secure Boot option. You might need to set the OS type to Windows UEFI mode before you can enable Secure Boot itself. Once enabled, remember to save your configuration and exit the BIOS, usually by pressing the F10 key. Your computer will then restart. After your computer restarts, it's important to verify that Secure Boot is now active. Open the System Information window again by typing msinfo32 into the Windows search bar. Check the Secure Boot state. It should now display on. Also, confirm that your BIOS mode is set to UEFI. If you encounter any further issues, double-check your BIOS to ensure that TPM 2.0 is also enabled, as Vanguard often requires both features for optimal security and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.